My beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Mel and Mishy here, and today I thought I would do a really simple get on ready with me, from my makeup to my hair to my pajamas, the whole shebang before I go to bed. I see these online all the time myself, and I love watching people's routines, just getting some product ideas and just seeing what they do at the end of the day, I guess. So I thought I'd do the same. Before I start rambling, I'm just gonna get straight into the video. Okay. So I got full face of makeup on. I've just got this random hair play thingy. It might have makeup on it. I apologize for that. Okay, these things happen. Don't come at me. Right, so I'm gonna start with like my first stage of cleansing, especially when I have a full face of makeup. I feel like it's so essential to like double clean. So what I use for my first stage is this cleansing serum from SKINFOOD. It's a Korean brand. Black Sugar Perfect Cleansing Serum. And I just put it on a cotton pad. Let's do two. Get on that. Saturated. Okay. And yeah, I'm just gonna try and take off all my makeup. Oh, before I do that. Oh. How did it get onto my head? Damn. Do you see it cleans pretty well? That was like a liquid lipstick, and it got it all off. Don't forget your neck. Now I've done that, I'm gonna do my second cleanse. So I'm gonna take you downstairs to my bathroom. So next, I'm gonna do a water-based cleanse. For this, I'm gonna use the NEUTROGENA Hydro Boost Cleanser. And I'm also gonna go through with my FOREO. This is just a mini one. And yeah, just do a really thorough clean with the two of those together. Okay, so my face is all wet and stuff. I'm just gonna let it dry. This is one of my kind of favorite face masks when I want to just add a bit more moisture back into my face. It's like a jelly, it's really fun. And you just kind of go like this and it turns into this kind of consistency. Let me show you guys up close. Smells so good. So now it's all on. I'm going to leave it on for about 10-15 minutes, and then I will show you how to take it off. So it's been 15 minutes. I've got a really nice warm flannel, and I've just wet it. And I'm just going to take it off. Not gonna lie, it's a bit of a struggle to get off, but it's so worth it. Oh, my skin feels so soft. So now that's off, my eyebrows are crazy again. I'm gonna do a bit of kind of a skincare treatment. So I've got my PIXI Glow Tonic. You guys see this everywhere online. People are crazy about it. And I am definitely one of those people. Just gonna whap my face in. And I feel like this gets rid of any excess mask as well, because it's got salicylic acid in it. So it's gonna break it down nicely. Don't forget to take down the neck. Now I've done that, I'm going to go to my holy grail product. This is my face skincare bag. In here, in this crusty piece of paper, well, it's just wax paper, I guess. I have, oh, now this looks really ugly. I'll insert a picture maybe like here, what it's supposed to look like. This, my friends, is called Full of Grace. When I say this is the reason why all of my acne scars have cleared up, my skin in terms of just like its oiliness or its dryness, it's more balanced than it was before. My skin is just always soft and supple. It's because of this bar. It's from Lush Cosmetics. It's a solid serum bar. I put it on before my makeup, before bed, before like my night creams. When I get allergies, when my skin is dry, it just fixes everything. So definitely check it out, because I feel like it's not mentioned enough on YouTube, but I love this stuff. Okay. Ooh. You know what? Whilst the serum is kind of sinking in before I put my night cream on, I'm going to do lip scrub. You can use a lip scrub from anywhere, but this one I've got from Lush. It's the Bubblegum one. I love the taste of this stuff. Best part is you can eat it after you finish using it. So It's so yummy. I should have probably done that before I did my serum, but it's fine. I'm just gonna put CARMEX on my lips just to make sure that my lips are nice and hydrated, especially after a scrub. This is from Lush as well. The charity pack. This cream, you're supposed to use it as a body and hand moisturizer. I use it as a night cream, okay? So this is just how I use it. If you are gonna do that as well, use at your own risk. It's not designed for your face, but I use it for my face. Now, if you're confused as to why I use it on my face, this is a premium product for a crazy price. Let me just read the ingredients out for you guys.
Water, olive oil, glycerin, organic oil.
Moringa oil. As the 5th ingredient, it's full of antioxidants. It's like this miracle plant that does so much good for the earth, but also does so much good for your body and your skin. Hunty, you gotta look after your skin. You don't reverse aging, you prevent aging, okay? Just Google moringa oil, okay? It's amazing. Then you've got this is £3.50. Honestly though, Lush, if you want to sponsor me, like, holla at your girl. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face and I'm gonna bring it down my neck. Then of course we have to pay extra attention to our eyes. The skin of our eyes is, I think, so you have to kind of look after it as it's very delicate skin. I use the BURT'S Intensive Hydration Eye Cream. It's so concentrated, so a little bit goes a long way. I literally use that much for both eyes, and I just dot it, get my ring fingers and just work around my eyes. I love the smell of this stuff. It's so bang. And I also get allergies. I get eczema, hay fever. I definitely need to like take that extra step to just look after the skin around my eyes. Otherwise they become all dry and crusty and nasty, and we don't like that, hunty, okay? Last but not least, this is not really a necessary step, but this just makes me feel good about myself, so I do it. Just to kind of spot treat on my darker areas. Right now I'm using the Ordinary Vitamin C Suspension. I don't know if it serves for the purpose that I use it for. Because I use so many other products as well, I feel like everything really works, but just to take the extra step, you know. Now I'm gonna get changed into my PJs. You probably thought this video was over now because I've done all my skin, blah, 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 but we keep it real, we keep it 100 on this channel, okay? If you have been subscribed to me for some time, you will know I do natural hair. So to see me with this kind of hair right now is kind of abnormal. So I'm gonna take my wig off for you guys and take out my braids and stuff, so my wig's already falling off. So the situation we've got under the wig. So yeah, I was talking about natural hair. I kind of started my channel as a natural hair YouTube channel, but there's a lot of things that interest me naturally as a human being. I'm really into skincare and I love makeup and I really love fashion as well. So I plan to kind of make those kinds of videos too, but we'll see. We'll see where this channel goes. But I hope you guys will follow me on my journey. Oh, the cream's still there, it's fine. So that's how I go from my full beat to ready full bed. This has been a super fun video to make, so I hope you guys have enjoyed watching it just as much as I have making it. Mouthful. Don't forget to show me love on the channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!